Hi, I'm Jessie, Creative Director and co-founder of Dagne Dover, and this is the Seoul Dopp Kit. It's made of recycled content, water-resistant 900D poly with Repreve recycled lining. It has high-quality coil YKK zippers and color-plated matte finish zinc alloy hardware. This bag comes in two sizes, the large and the small. The small sole is designed to hold your travel-sized toiletry and makeup essentials. It's compact enough to pack into your suitcase or your carry-on luggage. It has two-way zippers for easy access. It has dedicated elastic loops for your razor or toothbrush, a secret toothbrush pocket on the outside, and the central compartment is wipeable for easy cleaning. Attached is a hanger to hook onto your door or towel hanger. And that is the small Seoul Dopp Kit.